Understanding Messenger call notifications.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a commonly asked question: how to know if someone is trying to call you on Messenger when the video icon is pulsing. Understanding these notifications can greatly improve your experience using Messenger, so let's dive right in.
What does a pulsing video icon mean?
The first thing we need to discuss is the pulsing video icon itself. If you see a pulsing video icon in your Messenger chat, it means that someone is trying to video call you. Messenger uses this pulsing effect to grab your attention, indicating that an incoming call is happening right now.
How can I answer the call?
Now that we know what the pulsing video icon means, the next logical question is, how can you answer this call? It's quite simple. To answer the video call, you need to tap on the pulsing video icon. After tapping on it, the video call will begin, and you'll be able to communicate with the caller.
What if I miss the call?
But what happens if you miss the call? Don't worry, Messenger has got you covered. If you're not able to pick up the call for any reason, the pulsing video icon will stop pulsing, and instead, you'll see a missed call notification in your chat. This way, you'll know that someone tried to call you, even if you weren't able to pick up at the time. So there you have it. Now you know what a pulsing video icon on Messenger means and how to answer or identify missed calls. Remember, the key is to pay attention to these visual cues provided by the app. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the features of Messenger. Happy chatting, and until next time, stay connected.